Let's start with the direct write-off method. When we have a sale on account, we record a debit to accounts receivable and a credit to sales. The direct write-off method is very straightforward. Once we decide an account receivable is worthless, right? We've deemed it to be uncollectible. Then we simply just write it off, and we write it off directly to bad debt expense. So we would debit bad debt expense and credit accounts receivable. Very straightforward. No use of the contra account allowance for doubtful accounts. So the advantages, it's simple, and you don't use the allowance account. But the disadvantages are that there's a potential violation of the matching principle, because the sale may occur in the first year, and then in the second year is when we realize the receivable is worthless. So let's say we have a sale in December and we find out that the receivable is worthless in March. Then the expense is happening in March when the revenue happened in December. That's 2 different calendar years, 2 different fiscal years, and we would be violating the matching principle, where revenues and their related expenses need to be in the same accounting period. So that's one possible problem. The other is that it's potentially misleading. Some of our receivables are potentially worthless, and if we don't use the allowance, then we could be potentially overstating our receivable balance. And that's why this is not really a widely used method. Your authors cite a few companies that use it, but notice it was not any large companies. It was not any companies I had ever heard of. And so this method's allowed, but you have to be able to say that it's not materially different than what you would get if you used the allowance method.